You are welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel before we go. This film you are watching under by the right hand side, you will see where the right SUBSCRIBE. Use your finger to press. It will now change to subscribe. Press the notification bell to be seeing my new notifications as soon as I release my video into my YouTube channel. This is a tutorial on how to barb GENTCUT hairstyle. That is latest GENTCUT hairstyle with attachment comb number 1. From center of the hair to the front, from the center of the hair to the side, from the center of the head to the down part of the neck, from the center of the hair to the other side of the head, to the center of the from the center of the head to the front of the forehead. That is where you will be starting your work, finishing your job. When you start from the center, you now come down finish. Can you see the way I am following with my clipper with attachment comb number 1? Can you see it? That is how to barb GENTCUT hairstyle. Attachment comb number 1. You now adjust your clipper lever into 100% gap. 100% gap. You carry the lever, come down finish. Not 0, not 50. 100% gap. After you have cutting it finish, then you still have to go round again. You go round like 2 or 3 times. Can you see the way I am barbing it? GENTCUT hairstyle. That is how to barb GENTCUT hairstyle. You will barb it round like 3 or 4 times, at least 3 times. Can you see? That is going to be about number 3. Yeah. Can you see it now? After cutting, then I'm now putting it comb. Can you see it? To remove the small particles on the head. Can you see it? See the way I'm using the comb on the head. Can you see? I'm now giving it frictioning. Try to follow this tutorial step by step. I started from the front by the right hand side, from the center of the head towards the right hand side of the head. That is why I start my frictioning. Try to follow me up. I'm now to bring out the hack. Can you see it? I'm now at the back now, giving the back hairline. Can you see it? From the back of the hair down to the back of the neck. Can you see it? I'm trying to cross it across, to cut it across at the angle of a 0 or 180 degree. Can you see? I'm cutting for the other side. Can you see it? I'm giving it frictioning at the back. From the down goes up to the back of the hair. You have to follow it up very well. I'm finished with the back. Now going to the left hand side of the forehead. I'm now starting from the center, going to the left hand side, forming the hack in the front. Now giving it angle 90. Can you see it? Now trying to bring out the hack. Can you see the way I'm bringing out the hack? Can you see it? Now I finished the barbing of the GENTCUT hairstyle. I'm now mixing up the paste and the solution for the black hair dye. Now I want you to watch carefully and see the way I want to apply the dye on the GENTCUT hairstyle. Can you see the way I am mixing up the hair dye with the solution with a small brush? You mix up totally so that the solution will mix up with the paste, so that there will be no solution here. The two will now mix together to form another paste again. Gent paste, so that you not be too much loose. Now Now I've started. Can you see the way I started with that small brush from the front? Watch carefully. Look at it carefully. Can you see the way I've started? I'm now applying the paste from the center or from the front to the back, but it is not touch the hairline. Can you see? I'll leave a little space in between the hairline and where I've started putting the dye, applying the dye. The dye paste, can you see it? I leave small portion towards the hairline. Try to watch carefully. The application of the hair dye does not start immediately on the hair, on the frictioning, on the hairline. I leave a small portion before the frictioning. After application of the whole head finish, I started from the front, from the center to the front. Now from the center towards the left hand side. I now want to towards the back again. Then I now want to cover from the back towards the right hand side to the front again. I divided the head into 3. Can you see the way I'm applying the black hair dye? Can you see it? I divided the head into 3. From the center of the head, cover it to the front of the forehead. Then leave a small portion in the front towards the hairline. Then to the right hand side, to the left hand side too. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Then after the application of the inside of the head finish, yeah, can you see the small brush I've taken now? I apply it with the big brush before. I now come back to finish the frictioning, that is hairline, towards where I've just started the black hair dye. Can you see it? I'm trying to fix it up so that frictioning, I want to give it shape with that black hair dye. So as I'm giving this shape now, it will not show now because of the color of the hair dye. The color of the hair dye is somehow brown. It will not show now. After I have finished giving the friction around the entire shape of the head, now giving it a little time so that the breeze, the hair will now blow on it. The total paste on the hair now, that black hair that will now change the color. Everything will now change to black. After that one, you will now see the shape. This is what I'm doing now. You cannot see it properly now because the black hair that has not changed. It still maintains the brown color with that application. Can you see it? The friction has not shown until I finish everything up. We now leave the hair for some time, between 20, 30 to 40 minutes after the application. When the hair now blow it very well, the color will now change completely into black. It is after every that we now see the shape or the frictioning formed by the black hair dye I apply on it. But now I'm giving the shape. You cannot see it properly until the color has changed to black totally. Let us watch. Let us follow this tutorial step by step. Can you see the way I am putting that liner? You see the liner I'm putting? You see the liner, the way I'm placing it? You see the way I am trying to finish up the hairline? I start application on that liner. Now finish it towards the inside of the head. Can you see it? I'm now starting from the head, finish it towards the mouth of the liner. No, I'm starting from the top of the liner, now bringing it down across the line, across the frictioning, enter into the inside of the head or inside of the head. You see the way I'm taking the brush? That is how you are going to be following it step by step. Though now, as the black hair dye has not dried now, it will not show. That frictioning I use hair dye to apply, it will not show now. It will not show. It will not show until the paste has totally changed the hair into completely black color. It is after that you will now see the real shape I'm giving to the hairline now. That's the second frictioning. Now I've finished the application of the black hair dye. Can you see it now? So within this period, the hair has blown on the head. Can you see it? So it has taken almost between 15 to 20 minutes now before this black hair now changed completely. Can you see the color now? Then can you see the frictioning? That is what I'm trying to say. Within that period to this level now, it took me almost like between 20 to 30 minutes before the black hair now changed completely into the color and giving it normal shape. Now watch carefully. I'm now giving it thorough brushing. Can you see it? From the center to the front, from the center to the side, from the center to the back, from the center to the side. Can you see it now? Look at the frictioning. Look at the hairstyle. GENTCUT hairstyle with black hair transformation. Can you see it? That is a modern way of barbing GENTCUT and black hair application or transformation. Can you see? Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this channel. This film you are watching, watch under by the right hand side. You will see where they write SUBSURIB. Use your finger to press. It will now take to subscribe. Press the notification bell. Press it now. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.